if we can see this on this video or not. There's a tornado out there, a little dust tornado. It's kind of cool looking, actually. Probably wouldn't want to be right next to it, but there's a little tornado going on out there. Birdies are flying by it and stuff. Huh. Try and get some footage as I drive by, but still don't know how good it's going to come out on this video. That is crazy. It's like a little teeny tiny, like, point F1 or something. I've never seen that before. Causes that. That is so crazy. Tornado! I'm a storm chaser now. That was stupid. Crazy. There it goes. Passing by. Checking out this desert landscape, man. This is crazy out here. There's nothing out here. It's just desert, hills, and rocks. Not even the hills aren't even dirt. They're just rock. Big piles of rocks. I feel like that movie, The Hills Have Eyes, out here. But here's one of the biggest problems, I think. Even when there are trees, they don't grow tall enough to give you any shade. They're all like maybe 20 feet tall at tops, you know? You can plant them right next to your house, you're still not going to get any shade from the sunshine, especially in the middle of the day. It's pretty cool out here, but there's no rest from the heat unless you have air conditioning.